Analysis of the DNN Training Accuracy Graph. Pradeep K. Suri, author, researcher, consultant, and AI/ML architect. 1. Training phase. The training phase in a deep neural network, DNN, involves feeding labeled data into the network and adjusting its internal parameters, weights and biases, through backpropagation and gradient descent. The model learns patterns by minimizing the difference between predicted and actual outputs using a loss function. During each epoch, the network refines its parameters based on errors, improving accuracy over time. Techniques like dropout, batch normalization, and learning rate scheduling help optimize learning and prevent overfitting. 2. Testing phase. After training, the DNN is evaluated on a separate test dataset to measure its performance on unseen data. This phase assesses generalization ability and helps identify overfitting or underfitting. The model's accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score, F1 score in deep learning and machine learning. What is F1 score? The F1 score is a metric used to evaluate a model's performance, particularly in classification problems. It is the harmonic mean of precision and recall, providing a balanced measure between the two. It is especially useful when dealing with imbalanced data sets. Formula for F1 score. F1 score equals 2 times precision times recall precision plus recall F1 backslash text dash score equals 2 backslash times backslash frac backslash text precision backslash times backslash text recall backslash text precision plus backslash text recall F1 score equals 2 times precision plus recall precision times recall. Where precision equals TP plus FP backslash frac TP plus FP plus FP true positive slash true positives plus false positives. Recall equals TP plus FN backslash frac TP plus FNTP plus FNTP, true positive slash, true positives plus false negatives. Why is F1 score important? Handles class imbalance. When data is skewed, example fraud detection, accuracy alone is misleading. F1 score ensures both precision and recall are considered. Balances false positives and false negatives. A model with high precision but low recall or vice versa will have a low F1 score. Better than accuracy in many cases, if false negatives or false positives are costly, example in medical diagnosis, F1 score is a more reliable metric. A higher F1 score, closer to 1, indicates a better model with strong predictive performance. Are calculated to ensure robustness. If the test accuracy is significantly lower than training accuracy, regularization techniques or additional data pre-processing may be required to enhance generalization. 3. Output on unseen data. Once the model is trained and tested, it is deployed to make predictions on new, unseen data. The model applies learned weights to transform raw input into meaningful predictions. In real-world applications, a well-trained DNN can accurately classify images, detect anomalies, forecast trends, or even generate natural language responses. However, continuous monitoring and retraining may be necessary as new patterns emerge in evolving data sets. Key observations. 1. Title and author attribution. The title mentions DNN Training Accuracy, Pradeep K. Suri, author, researcher, consultant, and AI/ML architect. This indicates that the deep neural network, DNN, was developed and trained under the guidance of Pradeep K. Suri. 2. X-axis, epochs. The training ran for 50 epochs, iterations over the dataset. The model converged quickly within the first few epochs. 3. Y-axis, accuracy. Accuracy ranges from 0.87, 87%, to 0.94, 94%. The final accuracy is around 94.4%. 4. Train accuracy, cyan line. Starts around 87% in the first epoch. Rapidly increases to 94% and stabilizes. No significant overfitting is visible. 5. Validation accuracy, magenta line. Remains stable at 94% throughout. This suggests that the model generalizes well and does not overfit. Interpretation of the DNN results. Good model performance. Both train and validation accuracy are close, 94%. The model is not overfitting, meaning it performs well on unseen data. Early convergence. Accuracy rapidly improves within the first few epochs. No significant fluctuations, indicating good data quality and hyperparameter tuning. Further improvement. Higher accuracy, 96% plus. Try increasing hidden layers, adjusting learning rate, or adding dropout layers. Check loss trends. If loss is still decreasing, training for more epochs might help. Importance of deep neural networks, DNNs. 1. Handling complex data patterns. DNNs are highly effective in recognizing intricate patterns within large data sets. Unlike traditional machine learning models, which rely on feature engineering, DNNs automatically extract features from raw data. This makes them powerful in fields like image recognition, natural language processing, NLP, and financial forecasting. 2. High accuracy and generalization. DNNs achieve state-of-the-art accuracy in various applications by leveraging multiple hidden layers and nonlinear transformations. With proper training and optimization, they generalize well to unseen data, making them ideal for tasks requiring precision and reliability, such as autonomous driving, medical diagnosis, and speech recognition. 3. Scalability and adaptability. DNNs can handle vast amounts of structured and unstructured data across different domains. Their architecture can be scaled by adding more layers or using advanced techniques like transfer learning. They also adapt to new challenges with retraining, ensuring continuous improvement in dynamic environments. By integrating advanced computation power, large data sets, and improved algorithms, DNNs are revolutionizing industries and enabling intelligent automation and decision-making. Final summary. Model accuracy, 94.4%, good performance. Overfitting, no overfitting observed. Convergence, rapid within first few epochs. Possible improvement, hyperparameter tuning for higher accuracy. Thank you.